Alrighty, so now I'm going to go ahead and listen to your lateral lung sounds. If you could just lift your arms up for me. Okay. Take a deep breath. Okay, and then I'm going to go over here and do the same thing. Okay. And down, deep breath. Five. Perfect. Six. And one more. Okay, perfect. Alrighty, and then the normal breath sounds, the brachial breath sounds are heard over the trachea. The brachiovesicular breath sounds are heard over the sternum. And then the vesicular breath sounds would be heard over the peripheral. And then there's abnormal breath sounds, which would be crackles, wheezing, bronchi, and stridor.